Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Rev points for flights on the Revolut app. First, open the app and go to the Rev Points tab. Then tap on Miles under the Products menu. Here, you'll see your total Rev points and the list of airlines that allow point-to-mile conversions. Select your preferred airline, for example, Air France, and check the conversion rate. Tap Continue, then enter your loyalty program number for that airline. If you're not yet a member, tap Sign Up to create an account. Once done, you can redeem your Rev points for airline miles, which will be credited directly to your loyalty account. And that's it. That's how you use your Rev points for flights on Revolut. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.